Good morning, Madonnas. Um, I just woke up and when I even brush my teeth, when I wash my face, I decide to come talk to you. So I have this vision, like I sleep and wake and I go back and I keep on with the same thing. But it's like I wasn't in my deep sleep and it just come to me in my inner spirit to say, to do a series of my life. And but I'm gonna stop it right where I am writing my book. So it's a lot, but I'm going to share so much with you guys. And it just like it just in my inner spirit. I don't know why. And it's so funny because I was thinking about it the other day and then I go to my bed and I dreamed about it. So it's like it's something that I should, share and talk about because sometimes you share these things, people listen to them, people relate to it, and you share views together. I saw somebody put in my comment section the other day that I not quite remember the exact word what the person used, but it's like they make it sound like I need validation from my supporters. The thing is, this community is where I relate, is where I vent, is where I speak about things, is where if I see something, I want to say something and just express how I feel. This is why I create this channel and I want it to be transparent. It's about sharing views and life story. I don't need nobody, not even my children, them, to feel validated because I love myself. I appreciate myself. And self love and self worth is something that I don't stray away from. I don't. And I don't get up in my head. I laugh when I saw it, to be honest. I laugh. When I was younger, yes, but I've grown. I am a grown woman. I am loved by many, and I know it. I can feel it. And I love myself. The most important thing is I love myself. I love who I am, how I look, and I really don't care. But anybody have to say negative towards me, it's really just positive vibes I am interested in. I'm not going to say I don't see things that I might not like and I might talk about it, but I love myself. Anyways, this video is that I'm going to have a series of my journey, my life here in America, a lot of things. I'm going to share things step by step with you guys. What makes me me? What make me who I am? What drive me to being this person? The things them that I have gone through as a human being. As a human being, was it something that if it did gone different, it would have made me a different person? What are the kind of things that motivate me? What makes me me? Because I consider myself, I was, let me share this video because I am going to do the series. So I might post 2 videos every week. Say look out for them. I'm not going to talk about any now because this video, I just want to share this with you. I have I have known this lady. There was a funeral here. I talked about this already. I want to go back to sleep. I'm tired. So there's a funeral here the other day and a few weeks ago. And one of my church sisters, she said to me, Donna, I do sewing. And I went there a few days ago for her to sew for me. And so my ear cover because so many people was asking me for them and I couldn't find. I just make I speak on this channel before that I've been looking for a dressmaker and I can't. And she just walked up to me in the house the other day and she say, I saw here, so if you know anybody who want anything. A lot of times I have things that I wanted to sew. Thank God. Sometimes God just put the right people in your life at the right time. But I wanted to make this headband since last year, the one here that you pull over. I tried to sew some with my hand, but they just don't sew right. Um, so yeah. I got her. I reached out to her and she said she would sew the ear cover them for me, and I'm gonna put my logo on them. So guys, I'll share the link in my on my community on YouTube where you can get them to purchase. I will do a little video on how I use them, just kind of show you different ways of how you can use them. So I will be posting a video of those, and my merchandise will be coming soon. So I'll be posting those in the community on YouTube. But I am so happy when I found her. I wanted stuff to make. When I was going to Auntie Donna All White event, I wanted I don't know if you see I post the picture in the community in the blue dress. It was a blue dress, but I only post me sitting down. So I wanted a white dress similar to that, but I couldn't find it. I purchased that dress on Macy, and I couldn't find the white dress that I really wanted to wear, like something like that to wear to Auntie Donna All White event. But when I heard that it was moved to Florida, Orlando, Florida, I wasn't gonna make it because it was the following day would have been my anniversary, and when my husband and I did have plans, so I didn't get to go. But yeah, guys, I'm going to. I really wanted that. So I really wanted a dressmaker from them time. I wanted a dressmaker a long time because I have clothes that is too big for me, and I want to take it in. You know what I mean? And I was a little bit disappointed that I can't sew. So, but I'm gonna share a sewing journey with you on this channel. Anyways, you're not gonna know a lot about me because I am going to share, and I'm gonna share some really tough moments with you guys over here, and that's it's just part of my life, So yeah, a lot of people say don't talk your business, blah blah blah, but trust me, sometimes speaking your business is something that resonate to others and it help others to grow and to move on. It's not things that I hold on to anymore. It's not things that makes me feel insecure or makes me feel judged or stuff like that. You have things in your past that you maybe don't want to share with people because people are gonna judge you. A lot of that is just in our head. Um, we just have to block the people them out that just don't appreciate people teaching you, sharing. It can be a therapy for somebody. I can share with you how I get over this situation, but you might take it in a different way of wanting to judge me. I'm not the kind of person who likes to judge people. I'm not gonna say I am perfect. No, I'm not. I'm far from perfect. But when I listen to people's story and I can resonate to it, it drives me. It gives me a different sense of humor about things. So it's good when we share, and that's all. When it's sharing, it's caring. Sharing is learning. Sharing is so much things. But a lot of us a lot of us, my sinus is draining. A lot of us in our community is mostly about judging others, and it just, it's sad. As I said before, this is something that I want to do because it's been coming to me, just like how it's been coming to me to write a book. It's been coming to me to do this. It's been coming to me to do that. Sooner or later in this world, I might not be here. And these are series that my children can go back and watch, my grandchildren, my great grandchildren. So these are things, this is why it led up to this. And I just got a clear vision in my sleep just now to do the series. It's something that I've been having on my agenda for a while, but just wasn't sure of, where to start. It was so clear this morning where to start. So my next video where I'm gonna post, I'm gonna create a playlist just for that. So it's gonna be in a whole list by itself, apart from me talking about other things, sharing my music. I went to studio last week to go voice my gospel song, and it's gonna be released coming um by April 1st. I want it to be ready by April 1st. So hopefully he finish edit it and stuff like that. I put a little clip on the song there's and the song on my shorts. So if you haven't seen it, yeah. My nose kinda so bad. Guys, I drink Lasco. Anytime I drink dairy, eat dairy, it make my face get so discolored. I really supposed to stop. It give me all these acnes and stuff like that. Egg, dairy, but sometimes I just cheat. Sometimes I give it a break for like 3 months and then I go back and I mess with it. I just want it to kind of get out of my system, and then I go back and I mess with it and it did me the same thing, same results. Anyway, guys, I see you soon. Love you guys. Take care. Bye. Series is coming.